Surprisingly enough, SOS Limited stock closed on the green today. When you do have Riot closing on the red, Marathon down almost 7%. I don't even know why. I mean, the earnings were kind of okay. I mean, to me, they were okay. So unless I'm missing something, eBank almost 2%, down almost 2%. But SOS, interestingly enough, it's down above 1% on the green. So maybe, if you checked the last 3 or 4 trading sessions, you will see that these tend to be a consistency. This tends to be a mini trend. So when the whole sector is down, talking about the miners, like Riot will be down 10%, Marathon will be down 10%, SOS will be down maybe 6%, maybe 4%. And to me, I see it as a sign where the market is kind of now integrating the fact that it's a legit company with all the filings and the earnings, but also the potential growth when it comes to SOS Limited. They are one of the few to start mining Ethereum, and with the coin prices, we should be way above this, price that we see now, not only for SOS, but for all the other miners in Bitcoin as well. So today was a perfect example of how, man, if you follow the prices of these miners, whenever the Bitcoin or crypto goes up, they will be flat. Crypto can go 5%, they will be flat. Crypto, on the other hand, goes down 0.5%, they go down 8%. What the heck, man? So if it's not manipulation by the hedges, and as a matter of fact, Credit Suisse is telling us that the market is being highly shorted. The hedge funds are selling like nobody's business. The short interest on market as a whole is around 25%. Back in 2020 with the COVID crisis, it was around 35%. So it's not that far. And we do know that crypto is bullish for this year because more and more banks are buying crypto, more and more private wealth companies are offering crypto to the high worth clients. And they will do that by buying crypto. And who is mining crypto? Well, these companies like SOS Limited. So one thing to look at is the ownership of SOS Limited. If you look at market beat, this is the amount of buys since the second quarter of 2021. You look at here, $1.1 million and no one sold. If you compare it to Q1, where we only had 33,000, and then Q4, we barely had 120,000. Okay, so it jumped 10 times. Okay, this is 10 times more. So to me, these companies are probably seeing that potential growth that at least you are seeing if you do hold SOS Limited. So the hedges and the shorts will not keep these prices down indefinitely. At a point, they will have to cover, and buy back, and that's how the prices will continue to, jump back up. But I don't expect that to be the case before this whole inflation thing gets behind us, because they're really using this as the excuse to continue to do whatever they're doing using dark pools and, shorting the market. But that being said, guys, I will continue to hold my shares because I definitely see potential here. And before I leave, guys, let me share this with you. You may have seen this. So it's from it's from the Wall Street Journal. And it says, SOS Limited gets 2 money services business licenses in the US and Canada. So SOS Limited said its US and Canadian subsidiaries obtain money services business, or MSB. If a company is not legit, how will they get that? Okay, the company said the USB issued by FinCEN allows its subsidiary to act as a foreign exchange dealer, money transfer agent, and seller of money orders. So maybe they are testing or using this channel to have, of course, an additional stream of income, which would definitely be good, but also potentially it may come as another way of also offering crypto to retail directly, maybe like a crypto exchange. I don't know, I'm just speculating at this point, but I can definitely see this happening as far as they're offering. They already have those licenses. So guys, these are 2 good news on the future outlook of SOS Limited. So because of these guys, I'm holding my 2 cents.